Hello friends, welcome to next session on the DA lecture series. In the previous lecture, we saw about red-black trees, properties of red-black trees, the 4 cases of insertion in red-black trees. Today we'll see 2 examples of creating red-black trees from a given list of keys, right? So let us start now. Every new node what you insert in a red-black tree is always red in color, right? Now, there are some violations which are carried out, which are caused due to red insertion, right? When a red node has a red child, then it is a red violation, right? So whenever there is a red violation, we say the tree is imbalanced, right? Now to remove this imbalancing of the tree, there are 2 techniques what are carried out. One is recoloring of the nodes, another one is rotation of the nodes, right? The tree is rotated to be balanced. Now, imbalancing is usually concerned with the color of the uncle, right? Now we say this is a child node. The newly inserted node is always X. This is Y is parent and Z is grandparent. So U is uncle, right? So remember newly inserted node that the child node is X, parent is Y and grandparent is Z and grandparent's right child is uncle here, right? Now, imbalancing depends on the color of the uncle, like which technique you need to apply, whether you need to apply rotation and recoloring or only recoloring. If the uncle is red, right? If uncle is red, then imbalancing can be removed using only recoloring of the nodes. You just need to recolor the nodes. But that is case 1. In case 2, uncle is black. This is null node actually. Null nodes in red black tree are considered as black nodes. If the uncle is black, then if uncle is black, then you need to carry out the rotation first and then you need to recolor the nodes. So that is case 2, right? So imbalancing is caused whenever you have red violation, right? And imbalancing is mainly concerned with the color of the uncle node, right? Color of the uncle. If it is red, then it is case 1, which requires only recoloring of the nodes. If uncle is black, then it requires first the rotation, which is followed by recoloring of the nodes. We'll see the example, so the concept will be more clear, right? So let us start with an example here. These are the given keys, right? Using these keys, we'll be creating a red-black tree from scratch, right? So let us read the first key is 20, right? So new key is always red in color, right? But this is the only key the node what we have in our tree, right? So this is a root node or root key. So root is always black in color. So what we do, we change the color of the node from red to black, right? Newly inserted node is always red in color. But if the newly inserted node itself is a root node, then you change the color to black. Fine. Next. Next, what you insert is 30, right? Compare 30 with 20. That is greater than 20, so it becomes the right child of 20. Remember, red-black tree is a binary search tree, right? So greater keys than the root are always on the right side, and the keys smaller than the root are always on the left side, right? So 30 is greater than the root key 20, so it becomes the right child of 20, right? There's no red violation, right? Next, what you insert is 15. Again, compare with 20. 15 is smaller than 20, so it becomes the left child of 20, right? So 15 becomes left child of 20. The tree is perfect. There is no red violation, so tree is not imbalanced. Fine. Next, what we insert is 50, right? The tree already contains 20, 30, 15, and the new node what we're inserting is 50. Now compare it with 20, greater than 20, greater than 30, so it will be right side of 30. So newly inserted node, we name it as X. Parent of X is 30 and grandparent of X is 20. That is denoted by Z. Parent is denoted by Y and the newly inserted node as X and uncle as U. Now you see a red node cannot have red child, right? A red node cannot have red child. So there is red violation here, right? So what you do whenever, so tree is imbalanced. So whenever tree is imbalanced, you check the color of the uncle. Now uncle is red in color, right? When uncle is red in color, it is always case 1, right? So what case 1 says, you just change the color of the node. So what you do, you change the color of the uncle and parent change the color of uncle and parent to black, which was red, change it to black, right? And change the color of grandparent to red if it is not a root node. But now this is a root node, so we will not change the color, right? Again, I repeat, change the color of uncle and parent to black, right? Uncle and parent are colored black, right? And change the color of the root node to red. Now root node, if it is not a root node, then red, otherwise keep it black. Now because Z is a root node, so we are not changing its color, we are keeping it black, fine? Now, another thing what you need to keep on checking whenever you're creating red black trees, to check the black height, right? Black height of the red black tree. What black height says, number of black nodes on each path should be same. Now here we have one, on this path also we have one black node. So black height is also maintained. Right? Now the tree is balanced. Next, what you insert is now 170. Where 170 will be inserted, greater than 20, greater than 30, greater than 50. So right side of 50 will be 170. Right? So newly inserted node 170. Again, you put the X, Y, and Z, that is parent, grandparent, and uncle. Again, there is red violation because a red node cannot have red side. So what we do, whenever there is a violation, the tree is imbalanced. What you check the color of the uncle. Now here you have a null node. There is no node existing here. So null nodes in red black trees are always black, right? So we say uncle is black. Now when uncle is black and the insertion is right to right, then what you do, you carry out a single rotation and then recolor the nodes. Now single rotation is what you rotate y above over z, right? So y moves up, z becomes its left side and x becomes its right side. So y moves up, z becomes its left side and x becomes its right side. Is it fine? So this is the single rotation what we have carried out, and then you need to recolor the nodes. So what you do now, change the color of parent to black, right? And change the color of grandparent to red, right? Change the color of grandparent, that is Z, to red. Now again you check the red black height is perfect and there is no red violation. Fine, tree is balanced. Next what you will insert is 150, right? So where 150 will be inserted, greater than 20. So go to right side, greater than 50, go to right side again, but it is smaller than 170. So it will be inserted as left child of 170. Fine. Now again there is trees imbalance due to red violation, a red node having a red side. So what you do immediately, check the color of uncle, right? Uncle is red. So job is very easy. When uncle is red, what you do, just recolor the nodes, change the color of the nodes. So now what you'll do, you'll make the uncle and parent as black, make uncle and parent as black, and make the grandparent as red, provided it is not a root node. Now here 50 is not a root node is 20. So you change the color of root node to here, grandparent node to red. Fine. I hope the concept is clear. Next, what we insert is 250. Now where 250 will be inserted, greater than 20, greater than 50, greater than 170. So it will be the right child of 170. Right? Now there is no red violation because insertion is to the black node. A black node can have red children, but a red node cannot have red children. Fine. So tree is balanced. Okay. Next, what you insert is 300. Okay, greater than 20, greater than 50, greater than 170, greater than 250. So it becomes right child of 250 as 300. Fine. Now again you check this red violation, tree is imbalanced. What you do, you check the color of uncle. What uncle is? Uncle is red. So you just need to recolor the nodes. So what you recolor? You recolor uncle and the parent to black, and you recolor the grandparent to red, right? So uncle and parent are colored black and grandparent, that is Z, is colored red. Now if you see, again it is causing red violation, right? Again, as you move up, it is again causing red violation. So again what we'll do, we rename now, this is X, this is Y, this is Z, and this is the uncle node. Fine. X, Y, Z, and this is the uncle node. Now Tree is imbalanced again. So what you'll check? You'll check the color of uncle. Uncle is black in color, right? And insertion is from right to right. So you'll have a single rotation followed by the recoloring of the nodes. So let's carry out the single rotation. What will move? Y will move up, Z will become its left side, and X will remain as it is its right side. And the left side of Y will become right side of Z. Left side of Y will become right side of Z. You can see here, Y moves up, Z becomes its left side, and Y's left child 30 will become the right child of 20. Fine. And this side it remains same. There is no change in it. It is the right side of X is right side of Y. Fine. So this is a single rotation what we carried out. X moved up and Z moved down. Fine. The new root is now Y, that is 50. Y moved up. Fine. What is the next step is now? Rotation is over. So next step is what? Recolor the nodes. So what you do? Recolor white to black, right? Which was red. Now color it to black, and recolor Z, which was black, to red, right? We're changing the color of parent and grandparent. Fine. We're changing the color of parent and grandparent. Fine. Now you see the tree is balanced. There is no red violation. Number of black height on each path, number of black nodes. This is one here, one here, one here, and one here. So tree is balanced. Next, what you insert is 200. Greater than 50, greater than, okay, greater than 50, greater than 170, but smaller than 250. So 200 is inserted as left child of 250, right? Now you see there's no red violation. Tree is balanced. Tree is balanced because new node is added to a black node. Fine. Next, what you insert is 100. Right. So again check greater than 50, smaller than 170, go to the left side, and again smaller than 150. So insert 100 to its left side. So 100 becomes left side of 150. Fine. Again, there is no imbalance because newly inserted node is red and it is added, inserted to the black node, right? So there is no violation of red, and the tree is balanced. Fine. So this is a red-black tree of these given trees. I hope the concept is clear. Now, we'll take one more example in which we'll have double rotation. In this, we saw whenever uncle is black, we had a single rotation. Single rotation occurs whenever you have left to left insertion or you have right to right insertion. Now, next example, we'll see where the insertion is from left to right or from right to left, which causes double rotation whenever uncle is black. Right? So let us take this example now. These are the keys. The very first key is 200, a newly created node, so red in color. But this is the only node what we have in the tree, and it's a root node. So change the color to black. Fine. Next, what you insert is 100. Smaller than 200, so left child. And 100 is a new node, so it is red in color. There is no violation. Tree is balanced. Okay. Next, what you insert is 150, right? Smaller than 200, but greater than 100. So it becomes 150. Now 150, it is inserted, right? The insertion is from left to right, right? And there is red violation, a red node having a red side. So what you do? Tree is imbalanced. Check the color of uncle. Uncle is black in color. So what it requires now, but this time you need to apply double rotation. The previous example, what we saw, had single rotation. Why single rotation? Because insertion was from left to left or right to right. But here now insertion is from left to right. Right? So carry out the double rotation. What the first rotation will do? X will be rotated over Y. So X will move up, Y will become its left side, right? So X moves up, Y becomes its left side. Now carry out the second rotation where X will rotate over Z. X will move up, Z will become its right side, and Y will become its left side. right? This is the second rotation. This is first rotation. This is second rotation, right? Now what? After double rotation, what you do? Recolor the nodes, right? So X is recolored as black, right? And Y remains as it is, and Z is recolored as red. Fine. Is it fine? Double rotation 1, rotation 2, and recoloring of the nodes. Now tree is balanced. A black node can have red children. Next, what we insert is 160, right? Okay, greater than 150, but smaller than 200. So left child of 200 is 160. Fine. Again, this red violation, tree is imbalanced. So what you check? You check the color of uncle. Uncle is red in color. The best part is whenever uncle is red in color, you don't need to carry out any rotation, just change the color of the nodes, right? So what you do now? Uncle and parent are colored black, right? And grandparent is colored red. But if the grandparent is root node, now this 150 is root node. So you don't change the color, it remains as it is, right? There's no change in the color because it's a root node, so it remains black. Fine. Next, what you insert is 180. Now, greater than 150, smaller than 200, but greater than 160. So left child of right child of 160 is 180, the newly inserted node X. Right? So X, the child, parent, and grandparent. Again, this red violation, tree is imbalanced, right? So what you check the color of uncle. There is no uncle here, so we know a null node is always black in color. There is a null node here, right? So null node is black in color. So we say uncle is black. And what is the insertion? Insertion is left to right. So what it will require? It will require double rotation, right? Uncle is black, so case 2, it will require double rotation. First time, X will move up, right? X will rotate towards Y. X will move up, Y will become its left side. Right? X moved up, Y became it left side. The next rotation will be what? X will move up, right? And Z will become its left side and Y will become its right side. Right? Fine. Now, X moves up. X is the root now here. Y the left side and Z becomes the right side. So double rotation. Fine. This is first rotation and this is second rotation. And now what you'll do, you'll recolor the node. So what you'll do, you'll make X as black and parent and grandparent as red. Fine. Now again you check the black height. Black height is same. There is no red violation. Tree is balanced. Fine. Next what you insert is 50. So smaller than 150, smaller than 100. So 50 is inserted as left child of 100. There is no red violation because 50 is red in color and it is inserted at the black node. Black nodes can always have red children, right? So there is no imbalancing of the tree. Next, what you insert is the last key, that is 70, right? Again, smaller than 150, smaller than 100, but greater than 50. So right child of 50 is 70, the newly inserted node. Now again you check. This is a red violation. Tree is imbalanced. What you do, you check the color of uncle. Uncle is null node, so it is always black in color, right? So here you have the insertion from left to right. Even if you have insertion from right to left or left to right, there is always a double rotation. Remember this. And uncle is black. When uncle is black and insertion is from left to right or from right to left, there is always a double rotation. But if the insertion is from left to left or right to right, there is a single rotation. Fine. But here we have right, left to right. So we have double rotation here. Uncle is black. So what will happen first? X will move over Y. So X will move up. Y will become its left side. Right? X moves up, Y becomes its left side. Fine. And now next is what? X will rotate over Z. X will rotate. Now this is X will move up. Z will become its right side and Y will remain at its left side. This is the second rotation. Fine. This is a second rotation. Next, what we do after second rotation, this is second rotation, you change the color of the nodes, right? So what you do, you change the color of X to black and make the parent and the grandparent as red, right? Parent and grandparent as red. Now you see the tree is balanced. The black height is same, right? And there's no red violation. Fine. So given these keys, this is a perfect red black search. Fine. I hope the concept is clear. Only thing what you should remember is a red node cannot have a red child. Whenever a red node has a red child, the tree is imbalanced. Whenever tree is imbalanced, just check the color of uncle node. If uncle node does not exist, then it is a black node. It is considered as a black node because null nodes are black nodes, right? If uncle is red, then it is case one. Just change the color of the nodes. And if uncle is black, then depending on what type of insertion it is, if the insertion is left to left, then there's a single rotation and then change of color. If the insertion is right to right, then again there's a single rotation and change of color. But if the insertion is from left to right, then there's double rotation and then change of color. And if the insertion is from right to left, then again there is double rotation and change of color. I hope the concept is clear. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.